Hi there, welcome to PlatoForms. I'm Katie. I will help you get started. Let's explore what you can do here. It is going to be fun. Now let's check out the dashboard. On the left hand, you can see the main menu, where you can access workflows, invitations, submissions, and more. In the middle, you can find all your forms. If you want to keep things tidy, you can organize them into folders. Here is how. At the top, you have got tabs to switch between your forms. Online forms, master forms, PDF files. You can also sort them by date or name. Pretty simple, right? Okay, let's move on. Now it is time to build your first form. Start by clicking the button on the left-hand menu. When the pop-up appears, you will see a few options to choose from. If you already have a PDF, go with Create an online form for an existing PDF. This lets you turn your PDF into a viewable form or web form. Want to create form once and use it across multiple PDFs? Click Create Master Form for multiple PDFs. Starting from scratch? No problem. These two options help you build and customize your form just the way you want. This one is for PDF form, and this one is for web forms. No matter which option you choose, it is quick and super simple. Now, make your form yours. Customizing your form is where the real magic happens. With our easy drag and drop builder, you can add various elements, such as text boxes, drop-down, or signatures. To explore more field options, simply click the dots icon. Want to go further? Check out our toolbar at the top. Here, you can add smart logic to automate actions and make your form more dynamic. Preview the form as you go to see how it is shaping up. You can also choose the theme in it to suit what your plans need. Explore the more features here for actions like sending invitations, sending out notifications, or checking version history. Take your time to play around with these features. You will be amazed at what is possible. Now share your form with the world. Once your form is good to go, it's time to share it. Just click Publish and you will see a variety of sharing options. Copy the link to share it directly, embed the form on your website, or generate the QR code for easy and quick access. If you want to send preview forms to customers, just use the invitation feature. It is super easy and helps you stay accurate, work faster, and correct signature certificate without any hassle. Collaborating with a team, the workflow feature is your best friend. It is ideal for input or approval from multiple people. PlatoForms makes it easy to manage your team, customize domains, choose plans, and API settings, all in one user-friendly platform.
Got questions or want to dive deeper? Visit our YouTube channel for step-by-step tutorials or shoot us an email. We are here to help. Now it is your turn. Jump into PlatoForms and see what awesome forms you can create. Let's make something incredible together!